What can an Airbnb teach us about lean? Well, apparently a lot. I've been vacationing with my family here in this home the last few days, and we've had a few upsets, but it's a great opportunity to learn something about lean. So here we go. Lean is more than just organization, which is what you might think when first learning about 5S or even 3S, that it's about being organized and tidy and minimal. Well, this place looks minimal and organized, I'm about to show you, but it's not functional. And because of that, there is waste that is locked in these cabinets. That is a big problem and a frustration to me and to my family while we stay here. Of course, one of the first questions that I had and my wife had when showing up at this Airbnb is, where's everything at? You got to do a little scavenger hunt to figure out where things are in every Airbnb. So I began to open up these drawers, and there's one motion to open it up, a second motion to get to the top, and if I want a fork, well, which one is it? Is it this one? No, that's a knife. Is it this one? That's a spoon. Oh, it's this one. There's the fork, right? So there are 3 motions just to get to the utensils here. Oh, well, that's an issue. Okay, there's 3 motions just to get to potentially find the right utensil that you need, which is enormously frustrating and wasteful. Nobody wants to go through that. So this stuff looks really kind of, clean, minimal, right? Makes good pictures for the photo op. But then once you start to use it, it's like, well, my gosh, where is everything? And am I going to remember? I have to memorize every single drawer in this house to be able to use the kitchen. So in general, I hate whenever something is behind a door because it obscures what's really behind it. I don't know what's behind it. And that confusion is frustrating, and it creates efficiency problems and also compliance problems to be able to quickly put stuff back to where it needs to go to. So in general, I prefer to never hide stuff behind a door or even a drawer if I can manage it, because I want it to be accessible right at my fingertips, not trapped behind multiple doors just to get what I need. So organization is great. I mean, it's better to be organized than to be scrambling about trying to find what you need, but we can do better than just that. We can also have it visual and accessible right at our fingertips, right at the point of use.
All right, I'm back home with my tiny assistant. I'm actually editing the video you just watched. And if you want to watch everything for the Lean B&B, it's time to go to leansmarts.com, where you can see the rest of this series and also access all of the training that I've got there to make lean enjoyable, engaging, and fun. So see you over there.